Okay, today we're going to have a demonstration for you of a Heald internal grinder. This is a model 174 Heald internal grinder. Currently wired for 440 volts. This is a hydraulic machine. What we have is a spindle with a 12-inch quill on it. This is a 36-inch faceplate. The rest of the dimensions will be listed on our website on the quotation. I'm just going to run the machine and explain a little bit about it for you. This is a dead stop, a fixed stop that you can set to different lengths for stepped grinding. This is your control box for your table reversal. This is a hand wheel for moving the table in manually. This is a control lever for opening and closing the clamshell to cover the grinding area or the chuck. This is the directional control. If you wanted to reverse the direction of the table as it's moving, you could do it by hand. This is the speed of the table traverse. Over here we have to start and stop the headstock. Over here we have the headstock slide, so you can move this faceplate in or out. Also, it has a hydraulic adjustment to facilitate that. Your work head here, motor is up here, along with your variable speed controls. So we're going to go ahead and start this now. Pushing this button. And when I open this here, we're going to start to go back and forth. These are the stops that you set for your stroke. This is your speed control. You can slow it down or speed it up. You can see here I can change direction. The infeed, when you have it turned on, does it automatically. Start to spin the work head. That's the headstock. If you want to bring the thing down on top of it here, this is done hydraulically. There's a hydraulic cylinder because it's too heavy to lift up by yourself. And that goes down in there like that. Turn on our grinding spindle. You also have a manual where you can feed as well as automatic. We have a coolant system, which is this tank right over here. The pump tank, it all goes in back of the machine. We're a little pressed for space here. That's the pump. And open that up again. Shut off the headstock. Now, of course, this whole upper wheel head slide can be moved another 12 inches or so to the rear to give you more, depending on your workpiece. So you have that adjustment there. This top part of the slide is also adjustable, can move in and out. Also has a little bit of an angle you can put on that. So this is the Heald 174 internal grinder. Thank you.